Hiya everyone, so today we have another advent calendar unboxing, and today we have the Nivea 2026 advent calendar to unbox for you. Now this I think is at a really good price. That's £30 at the minute on Boots, so normally the Nivea ones go between 40 and 50. So I think if this is one that you normally get every year, I would definitely just recommend going and buying it now. Personally, I mean, it could be absolutely rubbish, to be honest. We're going to unbox it anyways. But it's a 24-day advent calendar, and it works out about, I have got it on my phone here, £1.25 a day. It's a beautiful Christmassy design. I love the Nivea advent calendar, so that they always do like a beautiful Christmas design. We're going to unbox it anyways and see whether you think it's £30, whether it's worth £1.20 something a day. And yeah, I'm excited. I love Nivea. We're just going to crack right onto it. Remember, £1.25 a day. And we're going to open day number 1, which is here. And I'm trying to see if it's got an easy flap. I don't know whether it does. Same design as it normally does. So the first thing we've got is the Soft Fresh Light Moisturising Cream, dermatologically approved face, body and hand. So you can use this for multiple things. And that is it there. You get that pretty much every year. So we got day number 2, which is up here. Oh, it's just a flat. We have got the Nivea Soft Rose Lip Balm. I never ever use this. Should we have a go? Because this lipstick on shines very matte. I feel like I'm looking more dead and dead as I go. It feels nice. So that's day number 2. We went day number 3, which is this one here. We have got a sheet mask. Now, I know my niece used to love this. This is the Bye Bye Dry Skin sheet mask. You get 2 not sheet masks, like masks, creamy masks. 2 of them, not bad at all. Right, I think that retails for about £1 though, so we're definitely getting less value, I think, on that day. That was 3. We're into day number 4. Can we see it? Here. I think that's it. It's here. There we go. And we have got something. I love the Nivea Micellar Water, but this is the Double Effect Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover, so that's good. If it's anything like the Micellar Water, I love it. I know I will. So yeah, very happy with that. Good little size as well. And I'm happy with that for the £1.20 something a day. So that was day number 4. We're on day number 5, which is this one here. Oh, so we've got the Nivea Rose Lip Balm again. Very close to the last Nivea Rose Lip Balm. I don't like that. I'm sure we had that last time and all. Like that problem last time. So that's day number 5. Day number 6, which is here. Oh, I'll take the whole place away. Oh, we have got a little mini deodorant. These are fab for work. I love these little mini deodorants. They come in so handy for work, so I'm very happy with that. That's definitely something I will get use out of because it will go in my bag. So yeah, I like that. That was day number 6. We went to day number 7, which is here. And we have got the original, just the Nivea Lip Balm, which is like a classic, isn't it? So that's good. I wish we got like the dark cherry colour. I'm sure they do a dark cherry, or am I imagining that? So that was 7. Is that right? 6, 7. We want day number 8, which is down in this corner. Ooh. And we have got another deodorant, and it's the Pearl Beauty. I love this one. Very happy with this. Again, another one that'll just go in my work bag. Dead happy. So yeah, that was 8. Went to day number 9, which is up here. Oh, we've got a Make-A-Wish bracelet. And it is, put on this jewelry and make a wish. When the chain has worn through, legend says your wish will come true. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is such a nice little like thing. Oh, day number 9. We went day number 10, which is up here. So we've got the Nivea Pearl deodorant. And it's a full size on. I love this deodorant so much. I really, really do. Yeah, so I'm dead happy about this. I've literally got one here because I really like it. I love lots of different deodorants, but Nivea Pearl was like one that I used when I was a teenager. I do love that. So that was day number 10. And day number 11, which is down here, and I'm trying to work out where is your edge, love. Right, it's a big one by the look of it. It is. We have got a shower cream with almond oil. It's a 50ml size, so a little itty size, but it would be good for like going on holiday and stuff. So yeah, canny little thing there, cute. So that was day number 11. We want day number 12, which is here. Oh, we've got like a little flannel. I love that. I can always do with a new flannel. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Let's have a look at the size. I think it's a flannel. Oh, yes. I'm really happy with that. So that was 12. I don't know if that is all the doors on that side. I think it is. So we're now going on to the other side. So we went to day number 13, which is here. I love the design on this, how it's so Christmassy. I really do. Oh, we've got something different. This is a like little facial scrubber type thing, I think it is. It's like to wash your face. That is so cute. I love that. I love that so much. You probably could get that very cheap somewhere, but I just love that so much. So that is 13. We went to day number 14, which is down here. We have got the day cream Caring. The Caring Day Cream. It's got natural argan oil, hyaluronic acid in it, nourishes and moisturizes, and it's for dry skin. And it has SPF 15, which is some sort of SPF, so that's canny. I think that's good. So that's day number 14. With day number 15, which is up here. Oh, we've got another one. Is it the same? No, this is shimmery. This is Pearly Shine. So that was Soft Rose. Was this a different one to Soft Rose? No, that was definitely Soft Rose. This is Pearly Shine. So this one is different. I'm not going to put that one on. I've already put one on. So we've got 15. We want day number 16. If you don't know, with the items I haven't swatched or opened, I do advent calendar giveaways in the month of November and October. So definitely, if you haven't already, it would be worth subscribing. I would love it if you go and followed my Instagram, because I do actually share like new advent calendars on my stories that have come out on my stories on Instagram, and like with the links and stuff and advent calendars that are available, and then I highlight them. So if that's something you are interested in, I would love it if you've done that. That is 16. So we have got something we haven't got yet. The Nivea Soft Refreshing Soft Moisturising Cream, just a little size, but I mean these would be fab if you're travelling. 25ml. We want day number 17. It's here. And we have got another shower cream. It is the Soft Shower Cream, 50ml again. Really canny little product. Definitely fab if you're travelling. We want day number 18, which is just above. Yeah. We've got another lip balm. So we've kind of had like two of the Soft Rose and then the original. So it's kind of repetitive. I'm not sure whether I know some people go for lip balm like crazy, but some people don't. So that's 18. We went to day number 19. And we have getting the Bye Bye Dry Skin face masks again. So that is another duplicate product. Right, we've got 20, which is down here. But if you really like that, then you're getting it again. If you really didn't like it, that's not really so good, like. Wait, where is the thing? Oh, there. I'm opening the wrong one. I'm nearly opening 23. We have got, some cute little socks with pink heart on. I think they're so cute. Absolutely so cute. And they feel so soft. I really like them. So that was 20. We wanted 21, which is up here. And we have got my favourite Nivea product, one of my favourite Nivea products. We've got the Micellar Soothing Micellar Water, Soothing Micellar Water. I love the Nivea Micellar Water. I like this better than the Garnier one. I love the Garnier one too, don't get me wrong. But I do think this one is my favourite. I do really love this. So yeah, I'm very happy. That was 21. We want 22, which is down here. We've got another little mini deodorant. This is a duplicate product, but I'm very happy with it because I will definitely use it. 35ml, perfect for my work bag. So yeah, that will definitely get used. So that is 22. We're 23. So this is our second last day. So we've got good size product. We've got the Nivea Rich Nourishing 75ml moisturising lotion, and that is it there. And then 24, our final day. Just make sure I haven't missed a day because I can do that. We have got, we have got something different. We have got, this looks good. The Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Expert Targeted Wrinkle Filler. I need that. I need that. I'll have that, thank you. This is what it looks like. Yeah. It says it's got instant wrinkle filling and deep wrinkle reduction. It's got Q10 Bio Exfil peptides. Visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by forming a hydrating film on the skin surface. Skin feels instantly smoother and firmer. So that's like instant results. But then in 2 weeks you can get wrinkles on your forehead, lip and area visibly reduced and filled, replumped. In 4 weeks, reduced by 50%. In 4 weeks. Okay, I definitely would be trying that. I'm willing to try anything. Most things. Yeah, so that is the Nivea Advent Calendar. What do you guys think of it? It's definitely very similar, I should say, to the previous years, but I feel like all of the Nivea ones are. I mean, they have, you know, they have the same sort of products. Nivea is like a staple, like classic brand. But I'm happy with it. For £30, I'm happy of getting some fluffy socks. We have gotten like a filler product, that bracelet, but I kind of like that. But we've got, I think, a bit lip balm heavy. All the lip balms should have been a different shade. I don't think we should have duplicates of the lip balms. I'm not bad about the duplicate deodorants because I will use them, but some people might not. Yeah, I'm happy with it overall though. I think for £30 you can't go wrong. I think I would have been unhappy if I paid 50 though. So that is kind of my 2 pence on that, if you would say. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, like I say, please don't forget to subscribe if you like these type of videos, and follow me on Instagram. I would love it if you did. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.